Do you buy Manscaped products? If you do, be sure to check out code SHONO20 for 20% off. And just remember, your balls will thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, HollywoodShono Tech Reviews about to give you another unboxing video. And in this video, we have something very cool inside this box with UN3481. So since I don't have a tripod, we're going to open this box up and come back. All right, so now we got the box opened up. Inside, we have a package from Bose. We have the noise-canceling headphone 700. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Let's open this box up. All right, now that we got the box opened up, there we go. And it comes in a nice case. Got some gel that I can eat later for dinner. And inside this carry case, which feels really good in the hand, we have this lovely headphone. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And these feel super light in the hand, very flexible. Beautiful. And inside the little compartment here, we have a 2.5 to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. We also have a USB-C cable, which matches the silver color, which looks beautiful. I like the little loop right there for cable management. And yeah, I can't wait to try these bad boys out. The Bose noise-canceling 700s that Vince was drooling about. All right, so our first test is the standard Blue Yeti microphone that's on my desk with 10 decibel increase. And the next test is the Bose 700s at 0 decibel increase. And can you guys tell the difference in audio? All right, next up, we're going to do audio testing with the Bose 700s at 5 decibels. And then we're going to bump it up to 10, and you guys can hear the difference. All right, finally, we're going to do an audio test at the same 5 decibel level with music playing in the background. Can you guys actually hear the disturbed music, or is noise canceling actually blocking it out? Let me know. Now this is the Blue Yeti microphone with everything up, and you can probably hear the audio in the background. And now for one final test, we're going to test out the Bose 700s at 10 decibels, the same increase that we have on the Blue Yeti microphone. How much difference in quality is there between the Blue Yeti and the Bose 700s? And this right here is the Blue Yeti microphone again, testing the audio. If you guys like this little unboxing experience, please give it a like rating, and check out HollywoodShono Tech Reviews. Have a wonderful day, kids. HollywoodShono Tech Reviews. Hit the jackpot.
Fit me.